As always, thanks to all the wonderful Aptera investors, my fellow Aptera reservation holders, and our Aptera Curious friends for tuning in again. If you're planning on reserving an Aptera, please consider using my link below to save $30 on your reservation. A big thanks to all of you who have been subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos. It means a lot. My channel has been growing slowly but consistently, and I'm currently sitting at 417 subscribers, so one of you watching right now could push me to 420 this week. In this video, I'm going to recap the 21st week of Aptera's Accelerator Program. My numbers are based on the June 24th, 7:11 a.m. update. Nothing I say in this video should be considered investment advice. I am not an accountant or a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing, and investing, especially in a pre-production startup company, is very risky, and Aptera is still looking for a large-scale investment, institutional investor, or a significant grant to start production. Aptera recently held an ambassador meeting last week and touched upon their plans for reopening the Accelerator program. They have reached out to the SEC to increase their fundraising limit as they're bringing the Gamma vehicle back to the US and taking it to shows like Fully Charged, which they expect will boost interest and investment. Accredited investors can still invest directly through Aptera's website, and they are talking to some large investment funds. But they seem very confident that with a grant and the amount of money they're raising through the Accelerator program, they should be able to start production even without a large investor stepping up. Even with a small increase in investments this week, Aptera has broken the $20 million barrier. Republic reports a little over $1.42 million raised, and the Accelerator program has raised $18.69 million. As to be expected, Week 21 is now the lowest week of investment with only $157,181 raised, which is less than 0.8% of the $20 million goal. The pie chart shows the cumulative amount raised by each week's group of investors. Week 21 investors only raised $89,403, which is less than the 1% of the amount raised. Breaking out the changes each week in a spreadsheet shows that a large range of activity by different weeks of investors. The biggest surprise was Week 10, which saw a loss of $6,825. Week 13 investors added the most with a boost of $20,985. Breaking down the investments to the daily level shows that each day that had some activity was not too much different from the weeks before Week 20, but there were only 4 days of activity last week, with 3 days only having one investment from an accredited investor. Again, the number of investors added last week is the lowest total we have seen so far, with only 11 new investors. The largest single day of investment was July 17th, with 4 investments being added. Week 21 brings the total number of investors to 1,309, with 541 total new investors and 768 prior Aptera investors. This did not move the percentage split, as we only added 6 prior and 5 new investors. The percentage raised by each group also did not change. At this time, prior investors have added about $10.63 million compared to the $8.07 million added by new investors. The Week 21 average invested per person was relatively strong at over $12,700. This was aided by one investor adding $21,000 to the Accelerator program. Both the top 15 Aptera vehicle spots and top investor leaderboards were quiet this week. The only addition was from WG of Oklahoma, who added $5,250 but did not change any positions. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, like and share to help our channel grow. And below you'll find links to our website, Evolv-Electric.org, our Twitter and Instagram